Hi. I heard that you think your tongue is too short for English. I'm sorry. That's not really true. Your tongue, it's not shy, but it doesn't have practice doing all of the strange things that English asks it to, like L and TH. So your tongue is more forward. Now, how can you stretch your tongue to make it feel more comfortable? The first exercise is called washing your mouth. And you take your tongue and you move it all around your mouth, every corner, up and down, back and forth, for 30 seconds. It sounds really easy, but it can be very painful at the end. So let's try. There. That's about 30 seconds. Do you have pain? Maybe it's in the back of your neck. That's normal. Your tongue goes all the way down. If you do that every day for 30 seconds, it will become easier. And your tongue will become longer.